What's up everybody, this is Yair and today I'm gonna recreate my first YouTube drawing. Five years. I uploaded my first YouTube video 5 years ago and here we are now, more than 600,000 subscribers and more than 300 drawing videos. So to celebrate this day and to show you my progress over the years, I'm gonna recreate this drawing with my current skills. As you can see, this is the drawing of Goku Super Saiyan 3. So without further ado, let's get down to business, enjoy the process and stick with me till the end of the video for my final remarks. done, everybody. The final result. As you can see, I added some shining blue lightning as opposed to the original drawing. I also gave him a nice aura and made him shout just to make it look more dramatic. I'm really satisfied with how the drawing looks. We can see the improvements. The lines are cleaner, the proportions are more accurate, the coloring has much more depth, the contrast, the shading, the drawing looks much more complete. And let me just put these two drawings side by side. Wow, I gotta tell you guys, these two drawings are really important to me because they represent a lot. They represent my journey here in YouTube and my growth, not just in technique but as a man too. You might think it's a smooth sailing, but it's actually really hard to keep an active channel for 5 years. I had lots of breaking points that I wanted to quit because I didn't live out to my expectations. And even now YouTube made some serious changes that frankly hurt my channel a lot for the past 3 months. But I'm still here and I'm also working on some big projects for the future. And you got to understand that in order to progress, you got to put in the work, you got to evaluate your situation over and over again, and you got to keep your head up and remind yourself why you're doing it. So yeah, I just want to thank everybody who supports me throughout the years. I really appreciate you all. Thanks a lot for watching, liking my videos. I can't tell you how satisfied it is to read that you improved your drawing skills because of my videos. That really means a lot to me. And for those who just enjoy what I do in general, of course, don't forget to let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Share the video to support my channel and subscribe if you're new. I upload new videos every weekend. That's it. Keep being awesome and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.